Here come the fishermen in from a long day of fishing. Did you catch anything? Oh, I will see. Oh, sweet anticipation. Oh, just in time for the rain. Did you have fun? Where'd Larry and Tom go? They fell in. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Alan. We missed you. Do you hear Mom's call out Steve? She shouted, Steve!
He was napping?
Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me see. Oops.
We got so much water and stuff in here, I might be a good idea to pull it right up and out, and then we can pull the plug and flush this boat out.
Oh, my sailor boys.
Fish line.
Here they come. Oh boy. You caught some Minute Maid? Minute Maid lemonade. Interesting.